आज हमारे अंदर बस एक इच्छा होनी चाहिए, मरने की इच्छा ताकि भारत जी सके, एक शहीद की मौत मरने की इच्छा ताकि स्वतंत्रता का मार्ग शहीदों के खून से प्रशस्त हो सके। Brothers and sisters of India, the freedom that we enjoy today is priceless. Many laid their lives to get it. In world history, the independence of India is an extraordinary event. It is because we fought violence with non-violence and got victory. Much credit goes to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who steered Indian freedom movement. I remember the beautiful song, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. We are really fortunate to have the opportunity to celebrate the Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. The Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav means the elixir of energy of independence, the elixir of inspirations of the warriors of freedom fighters, and elixir of new ideas and places, and the elixir of Atmanirbharta. Therefore, this Mahotsav is a festival of awakening of the nation, festival of fulfilling the dream of good governance, and a festival of global peace and development. India will shine with a new glory. I love my country and I love my nation. I am hopeful of India's great future because Netaji had once told us, हमारी राह भले ही भयानक और पथरीली हो, हमारी यात्रा चाहे कितनी भी कष्टदायक हो, फिर भी हमें आगे ही बढ़ना है. सफलता का दिन दूर हो सकता है मगर इसका आना अनिवार्य है. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.